This time Bengal election create history. Everybody we know that highest voter turnout 93%, and pre-poll violence, post-poll violence have been happened very least. So this significant election happened in Bengal. This is the first time, but there have a twist. This election have some distinction from any other post poll ambient like this election. What is happened? In this election, after result out, there have continuously coming from slogan that is chore. There have not any fray, there have not any collide, there have not any vandalize, least vandalize have been happened. But this election, after this election, it is very significant by the people. That's chore slogan. In everywhere, TMC leaders, TMC MLA MPs, when they going out to public, continuously coming from chore slogan, and it is not only vocal but also coming from a DJ playing, in front of Abhishek Banerjee house. That also being happened. There have continuously DJ have been played out by the people that create a song that is chot chot chotta pisir bhaipota. This type of song are being played out. It was created by people or stalwart also. So this is the first time that after any election there have not in Bengal, there have not vandalized, there have not called it, but also have coming a wave or surge, that is chor slogan, that is theft. And Mamata Banerjee, she go to the Supreme High Court. High Court clearly declared that every leader, it can be position or opposition, must be roundabout freely. It is his right for freedom. But people don't accept the after the high volume mandate, people are not accept the opposition corruption last 10 years, and this retaliate give this type of song or this type of slogan. So it is not the first attempt for BJP. It is retaliate. First attempt has been happened from TMC, because they create a song, they make up a song that is chot chot chotta sisi bhabur chileta. So this type of song have been created firstly by the TMC, and the election rally when happened before the election, Bhavanipur or Harish Mukherjee Street, continuously this song was being sung or a DJ was being played, and after that there have raised concern. This case was go to the Supreme Court, because when BJP doing the rally, how the mic of TMC is being played. So that type of controversy are being raised up. But this election have been different from any other election, that violence have been happened very least, but the slogan, the continuously dishonor coming from the general people. There have not any BJP worker, there have some BJP worker, but especially coming from the general people who are suffering last 15 or 10 years, a huge suffer. It can be turn out anger, and continuously to hear the TMC leadership or TMC supremo, it can be happen. The highest anger have been reflected in the Abhishek Banerjee's house, because this whole area, this whole para, it's being anger for several years, last 10 years. It stores the anger to the people's mind, but that time they was not express it. But after BJP win, they continuously express their anger to the Abhishek Banerjee's house, in front of Abhishek Banerjee's house, and they stated that last 10 years we can't walk on the road freely. When our friends or family member, when they would come to our house, they have take an appointment that who will go to this road, there have been significant their name signature. So that's are being happen. So people are harassed continuously. In this context, they give retaliate that chore slogan. So this election further different from any other election, and just amid the 10 days, many TMC workers, TMC leaders, spokesperson, they change their voice, change to vocal, like the way of BJP, the enter to the BJP, create a path of way to enter the BJP. So this type of demonstration are continuously visualized in social media or TV. So CPM, they last 15 years tightly stand, never demolish. Last 15 years and last 5 years there have not single MLA MP, and in this election they come out from CPM single MLA. But TMC have not this type of energy or this type of power or dedication that they continue going on 5 to 10 years. I am very much sure. So wait and watch how many days to be decrease or decline the TMC political party, and the surge going to influx to the BJP when BJP open the door. Thank you.